Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is biopesticides. What is the biopesticides? Biopesticides is a formulation made from the naturally occurring substances that can control pests by the non-toxic mechanism, and it is eco-friendly also. Biopesticide may be derived from animals like nematodes, plant, bacteria, viruses, and some living organism. However, biopesticides are generally less toxic and non-targeted organism, making the desirable and suitable tools for disease management. Advantage of biopesticides: why we are using biopesticides? Inheritably less harmful, less environment load, designed to affect only one specific pest or in some cases few target organisms. Often effectively, very small quantities and often decompose quickly. They are resulting in lower exposure and avoiding pollution problems. When used as a component of integrated pest management program, biopesticide can contribute it greatly. Types of biopesticides: microbial pesticides, plant incorporated and biochemical pesticides, botanical pesticides, biotin agents. So these are the kinds of biopesticides. Microbial biopesticides. Microbial biopesticides are composed of microscopic living organisms like viruses, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, or toxic produced by these organisms. So generally we are using bacteria as a more useful microbial pesticides. Applied as a conventional insecticides, spray, dust, or granules, these greatest strength is in their specificity, as most are essentially non-toxic and non-pathogenic to the animal or human. So biopesticides, as I already told you, they are non-toxic, non-pathogenic, environment friendly. So these are some advantage why we are using microbial biopesticides. Microbial biopesticides including insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and growth regulator of microbial origins. Some of important microbial pesticides are Bacillus thuringiensis. This is the bacteria discovered in Japan in early 20th century and the first become a common product in France in 1938. Control pests like American bollworm in a cotton and stumworm in rice. So this bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis, used in rice plant. When ingested, the pest larva by release toxin which damage the mid-gut of pest, eventually killing it. Main source of production of BT preparation as a strain of subspecies Corsicki and Dinormis and Glaria. Agrobacterium. This is also a biopesticide. Agrobacterium rhodobacter is used as a treat roots during transplanting that check crown gall and crown gall diseases, peas, raphe, roses, and various plant caused by the soil-borne pathogens. And the effective strains are Agrobacterium tumefaciensis, Rhodobacter. There are two kinds of feature. Most important feature they have. They are able to colonize host roots to the higher population density, and they produce antibiotic aerogen that is toxic to Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Pseudomonas fluorescens. This bacteria is used to control damping of used of Pythium species, Rhizotonia, and Gamumyces graminis. It has ability to grow quickly in a rhizospheres. And next one is Trichoderma, which is also a Pseudomonas, belongs to the Pseudomonas. And Trichoderma is a fungicide, effective against soil-borne disease such as a root, and this is also used in against Yersinia that cause silver leaf disease of fruit trees by the entering through the pruning wounds. I hope you are satisfied with this session. In our next session, we are discuss about further more biofertilizers and biopesticides. And if you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.